Okay, day 12. What do we have here? Okay. Oh, so softish kind of. It's cardboard outside. Maybe the coasters. Maybe some cup holders. Oops. All right. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, it's another cup. All right. Lovely. Let's have a look. Oh, I see a photo. There's another one. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's lovely. That's the escape room. That's hilarious. One of our first photos. Oh, Bali photo. That's so much fun. Oh, thank you very much. That's great. Oh, I like the little red trim. Oh, that's fantastic. Great photos. Thank you very much. Day 12. Does not disappoint. It's two more days to go. Lovely.